Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Debbie. This is my Crafty Dan, and I have a package to share with you today. So this is from the Happy Planner. There was a flash sale. By the time you see this, it's going to be 3 weeks now, at least. It only took about a week to come, but the day that it came, I got bad news and had to go to Ontario for a week. I've been back for a few days. I just haven't felt like filming anything. So I thought I'd share this today. So I had ordered some filler papers from the flash sale. And they did come before I left to go to Ontario on the 3rd. And I just didn't get around to filming them. I didn't have a chance before I left. So let's just dump this out. Let's see what's in here. I can't even remember what I ordered, really. So, is that it? Okay, so I've gone ahead and taken the plastic off the first one and gotten it ready to take off the rest. And I'm going to show you what I ordered. So all the filler paper that I ordered from the Happy Planner in this last flash sale that they had, I got for a mini. And the reason for that is because I have a couple of sets of discs that I really want to use. And I have some planner covers that I want to reuse. And I want to put together a couple of notebooks. So the first set of filler paper that I got, 40 sheets. And this is for projects. So it comes in the pack, you get 40 sheets. So you get 10 of each in this turquoise bluish color, in this pretty purple, in this bright green, and in this pink. And they all have a different spine color down here. So this is what they have on them. So it's for projects. It says project or goal, has today's date. It has the subject, the overview, the planning steps. This is a box grid right here. And then it's got the action steps, and there's some bullet points down the side. And this is lined. It also has date due, but you wouldn't have to use that if you don't need it. Then on the back, it has exactly the same thing. So there's 10 of each. So actually 20 projects, because front and back, and 20 projects in each color. And I really liked this layout, so I ordered 2 of these. So I have another package here that I'm not going to open. So I have that one. And then I ordered this one. Now there are 60 in here, and these are the skinny minis, and they are in, what's in here? So I know when I ordered everything that I had an idea for it. So we have weekly plans and notes, and the weekly plans has just a dot grid on the back. I thought this would be a great place to put a small version of a meal plan in here, because it goes from Monday to Sunday. And then you could do a shopping list on the back. And this one here would be perfect for just shopping lists or errands that have to be done, things like that. And the Skinny Mini, I don't have a Skinny Mini cover, but I'm actually thinking of getting a Skinny Mini cover. I may even make one, because they're not hard to make. So I have those. So 30 of each, because there's 60 there. Sorry, my voice is a little scratchy. This package, there's 40 sheets in here. And this one is from the Minimalist set. And They're all the same. There's no change in the color. I just love them because it's this soft peachy color, and it just says today, and it's got your priorities 1, 2, and 3. There's a place for the date. You've got notes, a to-do list, and then it's just the pink on the back. Very, very pretty. And not sure what I'm going to do with this. I had a couple of ideas when I ordered. So once I figure that out, I'll probably let you guys know. And the last thing that I ordered from that little flash sale was 40 sheets of just the dot grid note paper with the black and white stripe down the spine. So you can't ever have too much note paper, in my opinion. So that's all I got. So this is the first video that I've made since my sister passed. I'm trying to get back into things. Hopefully I'll be back on track soon, but I'm not going to go back and try to catch up with the videos that I missed. I'm just going to carry on from here and go forward. So that's my plan. So I hope you enjoyed this little haul. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love if you did that before you left so that you could come back and watch a few more videos. I'd love to have you join my YouTube family, and I will see everybody in the next one. Until then, bye-bye for now.